Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we've got something in the kitchen that could just elevate your blending game. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender. Whether you're a home chef looking to step up your meal prep or just need a trusty tool for quick and easy recipes, this could be the one. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender comes with an impressive set of features for its category. With a 5-speed motor and the bonus of turbo mode, it promises smooth, fast blending with sharp stainless steel blades. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, blending soups, or puréeing sauces, this hand blender seems to have versatility baked right in. What makes it stand out, though, is its ergonomic grip. The non-slip handle makes sure you're comfortable, even during longer tasks like blending large batches of soup or sauce. The blender also comes with both a blender stick attachment and a whisk attachment, meaning it's designed to handle a variety of kitchen needs. A 59-inch cord gives you plenty of range, whether you're working with large mixing bowls or using it in a smaller kitchen space. Let's talk about how it actually works. Setting up the Dash Chef Series hand blender couldn't be easier. Right out of the box, it's ready to go, and you can easily swap out attachments depending on what you're working on. The ergonomic handle feels solid and provides a good grip, which helps when you're blending ingredients at high speeds. The 5-speed setting is a nice touch, and it's simple to dial in the right power depending on what you're making. For example, blending a smoothie was effortless, thanks to the sharp stainless steel blades and turbo mode. Everything came together perfectly smooth. However, where it really shines is when you're using it for soups and sauces. The full range of motion gives you the flexibility to move around the pot without worrying about splashes. I found that even when blending hot soups, the blender didn't feel unstable, which is a real plus. It worked just as well for light tasks like whisking eggs for an omelet, though if you're making something thicker like mashed potatoes, you'll need to go slow to avoid overworking the motor. Now, like any product, it does have its drawbacks. While it's incredibly effective for general use, the 59-inch cord, though long, might not be long enough for those who need more movement around the kitchen, especially in larger spaces. It's also worth noting that the blender stick attachment is very powerful, but it does take a bit of time to get used to. If you're blending something thick, the motor might take a second to catch up, so patience is key. Some users may find the whisk attachment, while useful, to be a bit flimsy for tasks like heavy mixing or high-volume jobs. But let's talk about the price. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender is priced competitively in the market for its features. Compared to other hand blenders in this range, it offers solid performance at a reasonable price. If you're looking for something that can handle daily blending tasks without going for a high-end kitchen appliance, this could be a great option. In terms of value for money, the inclusion of a whisk attachment and a recipe guide is a nice bonus, and the build quality is decent, especially when compared to similarly priced models from other brands. In terms of comparisons, I'd say it holds up well against competitors in the same price range, like the Breville Control Grip or the KitchenAid KHB 2561OB. The Breville offers a similar ergonomic handle, but tends to be a bit more expensive, while the KitchenAid model has a similarly powerful motor. However, what makes the Dash stand out is its turbo mode and range of motion, which gives it an edge when it comes to versatility. That said, if you're looking for something with more advanced features like variable speed control that goes lower than 5 speeds, there might be better options out there at a slightly higher price. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender is built fairly well. It's not the most heavy-duty device on the market, but it's sturdy enough for regular kitchen use. The materials feel solid, and I didn't notice any plastic that would easily crack or break with daily use. While long-term data is scarce, the brand itself is known for making dependable kitchen gadgets, so I don't foresee major durability issues. It's likely to hold up for a few years if used properly. As for customer support, I didn't personally need to reach out, but Dash has a reputation for responsive and helpful service, so if you run into any issues, they should be there to help. So, what's the final verdict on the Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender? Overall, this is a solid performer. It's versatile, easy to use, and offers great value for its price. If you're a home cook or someone who needs a reliable kitchen tool for quick meals, it's definitely worth considering. The lack of a super high-end motor or extra bells and whistles might turn some off, but for most users, the core functionality is more than enough. It's best for those who need something functional but don't want to break the bank. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender, check out the comments box below for more details. And if you've got thoughts or experiences with this product, drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep blending your way to better meals. And remember, when it's time to mix things up, Reviews Inside TV is the place to be.